Alright, this is a review of the headphones that I recently bought on the Amazon. Vomach Headphones, Hi-Fi Stereo Sound. I was expecting them to be more or less like HTC headphones because they look similar. They appear to be of the same rubber material, like you see here and here. It's rubber. And this part is also can be removed and moved back. Yeah, like this. But funny thing that I've broke some minor piece when I was deassembling them, unboxing. This piece appeared to be did something, but I don't know why it was there. Maybe it was sticking to something. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, but it was detached, and now it's like that. The reason why I bought this, I want to have similar experience with this one HC, and this is my second main earphones, and I would like to get one more, but I couldn't find them on the HTC store. I love them because they fit in the ear, they're nice, and they also had a microphone and play stop button here. Those also have this functionality, but it appears to be a little bit different. Like it's here in the middle, not on the one of them. So you actually have to speak louder because here's the microphone and here's the hang up or play on resume button, and you actually can use it with your phones. I'm using Android, and it works nice. You can play or pause the music, but the general experience with these earphones are kind of different that I was expecting. This material is rubber, but it's not the same like this one from HTC also. Like it's bigger and it's more clumsy, I would say, because you see it's thicker if we compare it to these earphones. Yeah, this is kind of original that I would like to have, and this is Vomach. So yeah, it looks like the problem with those one, they are stick hardly in the ear, and they hard to use for me because I'm used to those one. They're kind of nice. They also feels the same like Apple earphones, and even my old Sony earphones, but Sony they not stretch and they missing microphone here, and Apple also missing microphone, but it seems like it has a free controls here, so yeah, it should be somewhere here, but I don't know how to use it. I don't know. Yeah, but also what I didn't like about the Apple earphones, that they do really hard bass. I didn't used to it, and when you listen to music or any audiobooks for a long time, you hear that bass in your brain. For someone, it definitely would be a good choice to use the bass, but I don't like that bass, and I would expect to be a normal bass level. So yeah, this is kind of review of the different earphones, but general I've used them for a couple of days, and they good. They fits in the ear pretty well because of this rubber piece, and you just put it, and I think the size is pretty similar to the Apple, but the design is different a little bit. Yeah, I think they were trying to copy it. Yep, so that's it. Thanks for watching.